Oh, is that a fish?
Wow. I love it.
I think this is a grenadier or macreurid fish. Rattail fish, sometimes they're called.
Yeah, I can totally see why they'd be called that with their... Looks like a rat tail hairstyle almost.
Yeah, I can see that. Looks like a rat tail.
There's a lot of different common names, but the family for these is Macreuriddae. And typically you'll see that long dorsal fin, kind of looks like a giant sail, is characteristic of this family. They're actually related to cods.
Huh.
Right.
You know of anyone that's ever ate one?
Right.
Actually, grenadier is actually commercially fished in a lot of places.
Really?
Yeah,
I had no
big
idea.
ones. Yeah,
Here.
if you have or if ever in surimi sticks, grenadier is very common blend fish to go into artificial crab meat. Yeah.
I have probably eaten one then.
Yeah.
Do they get bigger than that one?
Oh, they get huge.
They get huge.
They get huge. Yeah.
Do you need a closer look at this, Steve, or should we keep moving?
That's okay. Yeah, we've seen these before.
All right.
So we got you can see side by side crinoid Brisingid. The difference between these two here.
They're very
two
pretty.
different classes of echinoderms.
All right. Yeah, those look healthy. That's a big crinoid. Each leg was like over 10. All right, I saw something stocked over here. I'm gonna go for next. Actually, 2 stocked items.
So Steve, I did my PhD thesis on hydrozoans. Do you see many hydroids down here?
Oh, tons.
We got a lot of stuff.
Tons.
Going on.
Wow.
Like what kinds?
To be honest, I don't know the finer taxonomy of a lot of hydroids, but some of the big ones we see that are often mistaken for larger corals. We see like Solandaria, forms big branchy things in the shallower depths.
Oh, I love these sponges.
Yeah.
I love how yellow it is, and it looks like a little cloud sitting on top.
Sorry, what was that?
There's something off to the lower left here too.
Yeah, this is another one of those stellidoric sponges, but we have some of these structures here, these little, I think these are kebab sponges. We'll take a look. So yeah, we've got some large Bolosoma sponges.
So you have
a huge one on the right.
Oh,
Wait,
wow.
Can we do an iskin?
So in the foreground, we have a
Bolosoma.
sponge Bolosoma. Yep. And in the background, too, there's another one.
Looks like something under the oh.
Yeah. I have to ask, but that coral in the background in the hole, what do you think?
Ah.
If you're asking about sampling it, there's no way.
Okay.
It's like
I have to ask. It's my job.
Yeah, no.
It's
This is
literally
like
my job
one of the best
Come
views
on,
I could get at. It's like a ravine.
I know. Okay, well, just to note that, so that's a genus called Cibogagorgia. So this is actually, it's a type of bubblegum coral, but I can't be certain, but it's definitely in the Coralliidae family. It's possibly Cibogagorgia, but it could also possibly be Corallium. I wouldn't be able to tell without some extra zoom, and I still probably wouldn't be able to tell if we had better zoom. So I think we'll call it Coralliidae, Cibogagorgia, or Corallium, and that's the best we're going to do.
Do you see those two little antennae things? Is that coming from something else?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
The white sticks with
Looks
curly
like
cues.
somebody-
So
Like someone's under there.
Yeah, it does make you.
I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna suggest it's not Cibogagorgia and go to Corallium instead, which is another precious coral genus that's related to the pink one we just saw a little bit while ago. So I'm gonna say Corallium for the genus.
Video?
And it'll have to remain a mystery.
Oh, wow.
This is called a deep sea longspine sea urchin, and the genus is
Fine sea
So
urchin.
cool.
Aspidodiadema is the genus.
And
That's
do these
I'm gonna wait
awesome.
for that one to be spelled
There,
too.
there you go.
Steve, do these ones move? Fast?
They don't move very fast,
Okay.
no. So if you're familiar with
Go on,
longspine
Zim. Is that
urchins,
it?
if you ever snorkeled around in
that's it.
coral
Okay.
reefs and you see
Thanks.
diadematid or diadema urchins, this is a relative of that, but a deep sea representative. They're primarily deposit feeders,
Yeah.
so feeding on sediments and maybe small invertebrates, but
Yeah. Clearly trying to deflect predators, I
Yeah.
think.
but they're very nice. We see them often. They're pretty common.
So would these
Copy.
be poisonous as well?
They may be
Get Zim out
venomous.
video. I'm
They
moving.
may not be venomous.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm not sure, but certainly doesn't feel pleasant.
You want to snap on this white thing, see if there's interest?
Yeah,
that one.
Oh, yeah, there you go. I think this is, oh, what is that? Okay, there's two things here, actually. I want to look at both of those things.
Yeah,
There's
there's something that's stuck to the rock.
something. So this thing on the left is a bryozoan, not a coral. But this thing on the right is very interesting.
Do we have any vague guesses for what this is, or am I just putting?
So
unknown?
it's either a limpet or a monoplacophoran. I'm leaning towards limpet, but I just don't have good three-dimensional view of it. This is actually more interesting than that. Sorry for the bryozoan people right now.
Okay. Yeah, let's zoom out. Let's look at the suction hose, and then
Yeah.
we'll grab that.
So that one rock has quite a few
Amazing
phyla.
habitat.
Yeah, really, really nice.